Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by assembling ingredients and prepping the protein. Use 8 cups chicken stock and 2 cups shredded cooked chicken for a balanced base. Chop 2 carrots and 2 celery stalks into 1/4-inch slices for even cooking and texture. Sauté 1 medium onion and 3 cloves garlic until translucent in 2 tablespoons olive oil over medium heat, about 4 minutes to build sweetness. Deglaze with a ladle of stock, scrape any brown bits. Then add your prepared chicken and vegetables into the pot ready for simmering. Once the aromatics are soft, add vegetables to pot and cook 5 minutes to soften and release flavor. Pour 8 cups chicken stock and add 2 bay leaves and 1 tsp salt, plus 1/2 tsp black pepper, and bring to a gentle boil. Reduce heat and simmer uncovered 20 minutes to meld flavors while skimming foam or fat from the surface with a spoon for clarity. Taste and adjust seasoning, remove bay leaves, and keep the broth hot, but not rapidly boiling before adding noodles. For the best texture, cook 8 Oz egg noodles separately 7 to 8 minutes until al dente, then drain and toss with a little oil to prevent sticking. Return 2 cups shredded chicken to pot and heat through 3 minutes so the meat warms evenly without overcooking. Stir in cooked noodles just before serving to preserve bite. Finish with 2 tablespoons chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon lemon juice for brightness. Adjust salt to taste, and serve hot in bowls with optional cracked black pepper and a drizzle of olive oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.